Hey guys, it's Alan. Welcome back to my channel. Well, I am letting my curls set. If you're interested in learning how to do a quick and easy blowout, make sure you check out my last video on that. But I'm going to show you how to take your daytime makeup look to a nighttime look. So if you're like me, a lot of times you're heading to the office, you don't want to have a full face of makeup on, so you just throw on kind of a quick and easy look. So I have a little bit of concealer on my face, a touch of mascara on my brows, my lipstick, and voila, we are done. But if we have a hot date later that night, if you have a special event, or just because you feel like your makeup has sort of worn off and you want something that's more appropriate for evening, I'm going to show you how you can really, in 2 minutes or less, darken up and sexy up your makeup look. So first, I would say we start with our eyes. The eyes are the first thing that most people notice when they are looking at your face. So I would recommend having a palette on hand, something that has all of the colors that you need so you're not having to walk around with a ton of stuff. This one is from Christy Brinkley's new line, Authentic Beauty. Sorry, it is a little dirty. But this one is a really nice neutral palette. So you can see, oh man, there we go. It's got some really nice, just simple undertones. So what I will do is start out with this lighter color, and I'm just gonna do a light and easy sort of look on my brow bone. This is going to lighten everything up and just sort of pop that eye. Then I'm going to take this middle color here, and this one I think is the most important because not everyone wants to do a really dramatic eye. But if you're putting something just a little bit darker in that crease, it's going to make a really big difference when it comes to being just a bit more dramatic. And you don't have to be a professional to do this. It's just following the natural crease line that you have here. So if all you can do is this, you've made a big difference. So look at the difference between that eye and that eye. Sexy eye, office eye. Sexy eye, office eye. All right. So I'm just going to do this one eye so you can see the difference. Then, if you want to get a little more dramatic, we want to take this darker color here and then put it just on the right part of the lid here. So this is just darkening it up ever so slightly, again in that crease. And that's going to make it just a little more dramatic. And if you think this is a little too much, you're just gonna wanna blend it out. So again, you can take this first color or that second color, dab a bit on your blending brush, and then just kind of go over the top part of that crease. And what this is gonna do is just naturally sort of blend it out so you're not looking so dramatic and your makeup doesn't look over the top. So you can see it's a natural, more dramatic eye. Regular eye. Then, if you want to get really crazy, super sexy, we're going to take a little liner brush here, go in with that dark color. So you just want to do a light little dab, kind of flick it off, and then just go on that natural lash line. And you just pat, pat, pat. You can go all the way over if you want, but for me, I like to keep it from the middle of the eye working out. Then I take a bit and I just put it right under where you can see that makeup line ended here. And it's gonna be a quick and easy way to do sort of a cat eye without doing the full cat eye. So if I try to use a liquid liner, if I try to go too crazy, I end up looking like a full-on panda. It's not a good look for me. So this is my easy way to kind of give myself a sexy eye. Then you can also pull it under the lash line here at the bottom for a super dramatic effect. So again, I'm not a makeup professional, but this just gives you a bit more of drama. So you can see the difference. This is not so over the top that you look like, I don't know, you're doing a full-on YouTube makeup tutorial, but it's going to give you just a bit more of a look. So if you're changing into a dress, you have a little more glamour. Then we are going to use my favorite NARS duo here with Orgasm Blush and my contour here. So we're just gonna wanna take that contour, and I know you're not supposed to double up, but I use the same brush that I do for my blush here down there, and you're just gonna go lightly kind of under that cheekbone. And you're gonna build it out into the hairline. And what I like to do too is kind of go all the way around my face. This sort of frames your face, gives you more of a cut contour look. And again, you can always, if you want more of a cheek, get in there. The thing I like about these is they blend so easily. So that is it. We are going from morning to night. Morning to night. Alright guys, if you like this tutorial, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and then if you want to stay up to date on my videos, turn on that notification bell and it is going to let you know every time I have a new video out. And I apologize for the snoring in the background. That is Eisenhower, who loves to come in the second that I'm filming a video and provide some background music for you guys. So, hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.